welcome back to our next video. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is index numbers. So index numbers. So generally we don't know what do you mean by the term index numbers. So let us see today the introduction. But before going towards the introduction, let me tell you that as we study, for example, a percentage is there. Whatever percentage you get, what does it mean? That is your academic performance. That what are your percentages and all. So the performance of a student is calculated with the help of the percentage. So index number means what it is now here, that index numbers are the numbers which is just a measurement by the economists to calculate the changes in the economy. Means whichever changes are there, whichever changes take place in our economy, for example, the changes may be in the prices of the commodities, there may be the changes in the production level. So whichever changes take place in a particular year, so when we compare these changes, so these changes are compared with the help of the index numbers. So if you see there that index numbers, we can also call it as the economic barometers. This is another name we can say. For example, thermometer is used to check the temperature of a person. In the same way, index number are the numbers which are used to measure the changes in the economy. There are various variables are there. Just take an example. If in the year 2020, the prices, if you want to calculate, for example, petrol prices, you have to take it. Then if you want to calculate the prices of the petrol in the year with the year 2015, so 2015 years will be known as the base year and 2020 will be known as the current year. So we can calculate this with the help of the index numbers, and the answer which we get, that will be the changes in the prices of the petrol. And this we can say that it is the most used statistical devices. Means in the world of statistics, it is the most probably used device. Means index numbers are used on the words, we can say on that, we can say कि सबसे ज़्यादा use किए जाते index numbers to in the statistical world. Next is that it measures the changes in the economy. Already we have discussed that it measures the changes which takes place in the economy, and it particularly measures the changes in the prices of the commodities, or even we can say the production level. And it is also helpful in the agricultural as well as the industrial sectors, because in the agricultural sector it helps the people to the it helps the farmers to compare the prices of the previous year's vegetables and the current year vegetables. Even we can say in the industrial sector, it helps the industrialist for the production purpose. Means when he wants to calculate the output of his products, so he can calculate the output, the changes, with the help of the index numbers. So let us turn towards the definition. So already now two definitions are given, but we have taken this definition because it is easy to understand. So according to Croxton and Cowden, index numbers are the devices for measuring the differences in the magnitude of a group of related variables. So now, as I told you, definition should be as it is, but let me explain you one by one. Just again I will read that index numbers are devices for measuring differences. What does it mean till here? That means the index numbers is a type of device. As I told you, for example, thermometer is also the device to measure the temperature of a person. In the same way, we can relate that index number is also a device with the help of which we can measure the changes which takes place in the economy, that is in the magnitude of a group of related variables. Means it may be a particular product, or it may be a group of products. Whichever products are there, it may be a particular product, or it may be the group of variables. Variables ka meaning it can be the changes which takes place in the prices, or the changes which takes place in the production level. So that's why it is given, that is the magnitude of a group of the related variables. So everyone